Hi, this is Alan of ICT Billet. Today we're looking at our 551065 Universal Heater Core Hose Kit. These are two USA made hoses. It has a 90-degree hose end on one side, the other side's straight. So typically your 90-degree hose end is going to go off your LS water pump. The other side is going to be going to the heater core. So let's go ahead and do the install on this 1985 C10 real quick. Now we're going to install our 3/4 inch hose, which is going to be the front. This is actually an LT series. Pump has the same size, so you could use this on LS or LT. So we're going to hold it in here. Then we're going to measure, and we're going to cut this a little bit closer here. Now we're going to go ahead and move our hose over here where we want it. We're just going to do a quick install, then we'll put the clamps back on it. Okay, we'll get this hose routed where we want it. We're going to do the smaller 5/8 line here. I'm going to go ahead and cut it a little shorter too. Go ahead and install your smaller line here. Run both of these down here where we want, and move over here to the heater box. Now we're going to install the heater core side. So hold your hoses down here where you want to mount them. Hold it up here. We'll go ahead and cut this one to length. We'll do the same thing with the 5/8 line. Go to length, and we'll check to make sure this is right length. Now that we've test fitted, got our hoses where we want, we'll go ahead and pull the hoses back off, put our clamps on, and then we'll be finished.